Right then, I hope you're all doing well. What we're going to cover this week, cook something that's just a little bit warming now hitting winter. Nothing better than covering a Ottolenghi recipe. It is the sweet potato in tomato, lime and cardamom sauce, and this is what it should look like. So this recipe is split into two sections. The sweet potatoes, which we're going to just cut it into 2-3 centimetre slices. 4 or 5 sweet potatoes. So this is going to be marinated. Black pepper and sea salt, olive oil, maple syrup, cardamom pods, ground cumin. And then for the tomato, lime and cardamom sauce, a tin of chopped tomato, garlic that I've done in advance, green chillies, shallots, dill, 2 limes. Alexa, set the timer for 12 minutes.
12 minutes, starting now.
So here we have the roasted sweet potato with tomato, cardamom and lime. And I've actually used a little bit of the Eat Lean smoked cheddar, which really goes well with this dish. Really hope you're enjoying the show. Please do subscribe and also look at the many videos we have, having up to about 50 different videos in my library now. Enjoy.